Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sprinkle Stories and happy Gauri Ganesha Chaturthi festival to each and everyone. Today we are preparing Lord Ganesha's favorite dish, that is dry fruits kadubu. Okay, so this is one of the most favorite dishes of Ganapati. So let's jump and start with the recipe and see how we do it. Firstly, I have taken a pan and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. So here I am using a cow ghee, and now once the ghee is melted, I'm adding almost 50 grams of chopped almonds, and now I'm adding almost 50 grams of cashews and 50 grams of raisins and 50 grams of fig. So after adding all these, let us stir it really very nicely and make sure that each and every cut pieces of dry fruits is being roasted into a golden brown color. So once this is been roasted, let us transfer it to a glass bowl and let's keep it aside. Now the second part of the stuffing is, now I'm using the same pan and I'm adding a 2 tablespoon of ghee again, and I'm adding freshly grated coconut, and please make sure that we are not adding the black portion of the coconut. Now let us combine it well with the ghee, and for the one whole coconut which I have taken 200 grams of jaggery. The sweet can be adjustable, you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So now let us mix it well and make sure that each and every corner is being added with the sweetness. And for the moisture, I have added almost 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. So now let us combine it well. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, which will really enhance the flavor of our stuffing. And please make sure that the jaggery is being melted completely and the mixture is not roasted too much. Now I am adding all the dried fruits that I had fried in the ghee and kept it aside, and I'm combining everything together to make a perfect stuffing. This is the recipe that is been mostly asked from my family to do it again and again, and this recipe was accidentally brought up by me last year when I was trying to do something else, and this turned out to be really very nice. I have taken another non-stick pan again, and I'm adding almost 1 liter of water. The quantity can be doubled or minimized according to your requirement, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of ghee. So for 1 liter of water, I'm adding approximately 2 cups of rice flour, and please make sure that you're not gonna stir it immediately. And after adding the rice flour, we are going to cover it with the lid and we are going to leave it for almost 10 minutes, and then we are going to stir it really very nicely without any lumps. Please make sure that there are no lumps formed. It is always good to use a wooden stick to stir this dough. So now I'm dipping my fingers in the water and just checking for the softness, and once the dough is not sticking the fingers, and now let us cover the lid and keep it for 5 minutes. And now we are adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, which will really enhance the flavor of our kadubu. This is a typical Indian traditional style dry fruits kadubu. We can make it in other two ways, which I'll be showing in my future videos. So if you are looking for a perfect kadubu to impress Lord Ganesha, then this is the best ever kadubu that you can do it for our festival, that is Ganesha Chaturthi. So now I'm transferring the whole dough into a bowl, or a bigger plate, and let us knead the dough well, dipping our fingers once in a while into water because this is too hot to handle. So let us combine the dough really very nicely. Let's knead the dough. So this dough is really very soft and really very nice to touch, and the consistency should be like this. So after this I have taken a pressing machine. So now let us take some ghee into both the palms, and now we will take a small ball sized dough and we will make it in a perfect round shape, and let's flatten it. And I have taken two papers. Okay, these are non-stick papers which I have got it when I were been to Shivamogga. You can also use any thick cover or the cover of cooking oil. So let us not press it too much, let's press it really very gently, and let's not make it too thin. Okay, now the roti is almost ready. So I have taken a karji kai machine here and I'm applying ghee all over, and let me place the roti here on the machine here. Now I'm spreading the stuffing here in the middle, and please make sure that we are not loading too much of stuffing because it may break, because this is rice flour, so we'll have to be really very gentle. So I am removing the extra dough that is out of the pressing machine here, and our perfect dry fruits kadbu is ready to enjoy. So now I am going to make another one. And friends, this is really very simple and tasty one. Please try once at home. This is really very easy and tasteful kadbu that one can make for this festival. So all my ladies over there, if you really like this video and if you really like the recipe and you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please click on the notification icon for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please come back to visit our channel to watch other recipes. Happy Ganesha Chaturthi to one and all again. Have a great year ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.